Now, honestly, I don't think I really have to say this, but adding 2 repeatedly can kind of get tedious, right? Like if you do that repeatedly over and over again, and say you wanted to find like a really big term, like a sub 100, then you don't want to just continuously add 2, right? So for sequences, we have something called the Nth-Term formula, where we can find any term in the sequence with, what it differs by the type of sequence you're on. But for arithmetic, the formula is a sub n, right? The term we want to find, that a sub n, is equal to the first term, and now we're on the sequence, so we can say the first term is 11, right? Because a sub 1, that's the first term, starts off the sequence, plus n minus 1. And n minus 1 is just this number right here, right? The term we want to find. You subtract that by 1, and then you multiply it by d, and d is the common difference, right? The number we're changing, the number we're changing by, adding or subtracting by. So let's try and apply it to a random term. Let's first write all these out. We have a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4. And again, there's a difference of 2 between each term, right? 11 being our starting position, going 12, 13, that's plus 2, and plus 2 from each term, right? So we only have the first 4 terms. What if we wanted to find a sub 7? Well, put the term we want on the left side, take our first term, and then we're going to add it to n minus 1, which is, again, this number right here, subtracted by 1. So 7 minus 1. And you multiply that by the common difference, which is 2, right? Because that's the difference between one term to the next. So 2. And then we're done. All we have to do is just add it all together. So 7 minus 1, that's 6, right? You still have that 2 over there. Still have that 11. You multiply 6 by 2, that's 12. So we have 11 plus 12 is equal to a sub 7. And 11 plus 12 is just 23, right? So that means a sub 7 is equal to 23.